Hey guys, ready to get started on Zoom? Let's create your account in less than a minute. Go to zoom.us/signup on your browser. Zoom will ask for a birth date just to verify your age. Next, enter your email address and click sign up. You'll get a confirmation email. Head over to your inbox, open Zoom's email and click activate account. Now fill in your name, create a password and hit continue. Do you want to save time? You can also sign up using Google or Facebook with just one click. Once done, you're all set to host, join or schedule meetings. And that's it, your Zoom account is ready. If this video helped, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you want to log in or meeting setup guide next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.